So, got a very strange noise on my DMR volts. You can't really hear it now, it's off the bike. Oh, there it is. Strange, but what looks like a shims and things have come out of there. Don't know whether you can see. Shims and seal. So, I'm going to take it apart and have a look, see if I can't push it all back in. Now that is going to be awkward to get out, because obviously when the bike lays on its side, it's battered. Yeah, it's battered. Oh, it's quite loose. It's tight. It needs to be tight, but it's actually quite loose. So let's see what we have in here. Okay, so what looks like a 10mm with some bearings in there. So that's a 10mm socket. Ooh, I bet I haven't got one. Oh, I have. In fact, it's not a 10mm, it's a lot smaller than a 10. So, let's have a look. It's got to be maybe an 8. Yeah, it's an 8mm. So I'll get my quarter drive 8mm socket. Allen key on there. Oh, it seems like it's tightening it. So, because it's pedals, and we know pedals are funny. Yeah, look, so it's the opposite way to undo it. So normally it's righty tighty, lefty loosey, but with pedals they're all sorts of strange. So be very careful when taking them on and off, because that also is the opposite way. To normal. So this is the axle. Ooh, lovely, nice bit of grease in there. Okay, so it seems the axle is shimmed on the inner edge and a bearing on the outer. If you look down there, I can't see it now, it's getting dark, but there is a bearing, a sealed bearing, what looks like a sealed bearing on the outer. So push that back in. Oh, that's it, it's gone. But what I might do, I keep my finger back on because there's a washer in there that I do not want to lose. But what I'm going to do to push this shim all the way home is get another socket that's exactly the right size to fit in that on there, so it fits right on that shim like so, and then I can push it straight in and go as far in as needs be. Would be more helpful if I had a voice. There he goes. He's all the way in. Yeah, it's not going to go any further than that. That was the 10mm socket. So there's a ring, a lip in there, which is clean enough. And I'm going to take this washer and seal washer. It's not a washer, it's a seal. See if I can just pop him back home. Oh, well, maybe that does need to go in a smidgen further. So get my socket again, see if I can pop him in a little bit further. No, it doesn't seem so. What? Oh, there we go. He sits lovely. Sits lovely in the lip there, that seal. Awesome. Awesome. Although I do have the feeling that might come out again. Because it is one of those things. I'm not buying a new pair of vaults. I think I should buy a service kit because I'm missing some teeth. I know, like bloody teeth. Ugh. How vicious are these when they hit your shins? Goodness me. Ridiculous. Ridiculous. Now I'm going to lube him up and bob him back on. Bobbing. Just a bit of copper. Bit of copper. Copper slip. My favourite. Oh, it's blinking messy. Messy, horrible stuff. Moving through the other side. Push that rubber seal in. It's all the way home. Then 8mm back on, and remember it's opposite way. So righty tighty, lefty loosey is the opposite in this scenario. So I'm doing it, turning it to the left, and it is tightening it, tightening it. So here we go, nipping back up. Bump, bump, bump. Nice and tight because I don't want that coming out down the trail. Torque measured. Ooh, lovely. And then the end cap. Keep all the crap out. Here's another one, but he's the correct thread. Bang in the 6mm. Boom, boom, boom. Awesome. Awesome. Just like that. Ace. Ready for shred tomorrow. See you later. Bye.